Hey guys, Darcy here, wanting to jump in and show you a pretty cool feature of the Outbound game for a sales leader looking to save a ton of time in the motivating and driving of their team. As you can see here, Steve and I, we have our sprint happening here for October 2024, neck and neck here with around about, what do we got here left? 6 days to go in this sprint. So Steve and I are going to be smashing out a ton of sales activity in between now and the end of the year to beat each other on the leaderboard. Good fun. But ultimately what we like to do is we like to duplicate sprints. So Steve and I have come up with a nice set of KPIs and activities that we know drives a lot of results in our business. And usually month to month, we just want to duplicate that sprint every time. So we've discovered that in order to do that, all we do here is we come into sales game in our sprints. You come here to sprints and click new sprint. And let's just make that's going to be November 2024. We decide upon the days to make it happen. So that'll be November 1st all the way through to November 30th. Let's give it a start time of 5:45 a.m. Get started nice and early here at Y Bravo, and then go create sprint. And the platform is just going to ask us if we want to replicate or duplicate October 2024. So all the actions from last month, would you just like to bring them ahead to next month? We just click yes, and away we go. There's November 2024. Click next. We've got our players in. They're totally fine. Save them. Those are all the same actions that we want to see. When it comes to our planner screen, these are all the same actions and all the same amounts of bonus that we want to attribute to each action. Click save. And then we've got our rewards in there as well. We're just going to click start. And then we go. That sprint will start in 6 days, all completely set up, ready to go for the next month. How cool is that? That's Outbound for you. Love your work.